Hi, welcome. I have amazing things to share. Let's jump right in. Who needs the extra baggage of other people? Letting go of our interactions during our day is important. It is important to remember that I cause myself suffering when I think people, and this is especially crucial at bedtime. Meditation at bedtime is better than thinking. It enables an escape. In addition, when it's bedtime, nothing on the outside should matter. Why? Because our priority is sleeping in peace and not dwelling on our past events that often provoke negative energies. But also your possessions. Don't concentrate on what you possess as well. I left that out, but it's important. Why? Because our priority is sleeping in peace and not dwelling on our past events that are often toxic and provoke negative energies. There's opposition in thinking too often, but I think it is important to remember and acknowledge that good emotions lead to good thoughts. Heavenly vibes are found in the present, but it is you who must think and stay in the positive realm. Good emotions lead often to good thoughts. Next topic. Thinking of myself is tied to thinking people. There is a desire to relate, seek justification to support our views. We should not even think of our own family members. Don't recognize the person and the people in your home. Like, don't, right now I'm sitting here. I shouldn't like think he's in that room, she's in that room, and that sort of stuff. Don't recognize the people in your home. It is a question of not being dependent on them to fight loneliness. Seek your Lord's presence instead. So it can be an empty house, but as long as you have your Lord, you're fine. You are brave and not reliant on your surroundings to feel safe. Your higher self is more than enough to soothe your soul. Okay, I had an amazing time with you, and I'm gonna write the next video script soon. And the weather is good outside. It's summer now almost. I'm not sure if it's summer or still spring, but we have amazing weather. I should go for a walk today. I should. We'll see. I'll see what happens with that.